Heidelberg Service ist für mich sympathisch, schnell und lösungsorientiert.
The performance reviews have been great. When we have those meetings with Andrew, it's a great thing because he points out what we have problems with. And it goes directly to the point where we have that problem. So I take those directly from that meeting and go right out to the operators.
Nawet najdrobniejsza sprawa jest ważna i chcemy, aby każdy temat był rozwiązany w tak samo szybkim czasie.
I really love the feature of having the e-call here on the CX. I was able to place an e-call, and within an hour I had a technician on the phone and help me walk through how I could get the dryer back up until a technician could come out. So I really appreciate to have Heidelberg there reaching out where they can look at my press, see what's faulting out, and help me walk through how to resolve the problems when they do arise. It definitely helps me to be more productive and have less downtime in the press room.
If you see sometimes how easy it can be to solve the problems or reach the potential of the customer. Some customers can save per year over 100,000 euros with simple things to change.
We're using a mixture of e-shop and consignment. The consignment is fantastic for us. Our operators are able to use a tablet to scan out of materials they're using. That way Heidelberg knows exactly where we're at, up to date all the time. They're able to replenish them automatically, keep us supplied for things we need to run our shop.
Es gibt immer, also für mich gibt es immer wieder Highlights am Morgen, wenn man die Mails checkt und dann sieht man, heute Nacht war eine Fehlermeldung und kurz drauf war dann wieder die technisch gelöst und die Maschine läuft wieder. Also dann haben wir in der Nacht einen Fehler gehabt, aber trotzdem läuft die Maschine wieder.
Heidelberg bzw. Safira unterstützt uns sehr bei der nachhaltigen Produktion. Wir waren in engem Austausch mit unserem Ansprechpartner von Safira und haben unsere komplette Produkt- oder Zubehör-, Verbrauchsmaterialsschiene geswitcht auf nachhaltige Produkte.
Excellent service support, spare part supply, innovation, help customer to make decision on capital equipment investment towards Heidelberg products. I'm proud to work with Heidelberg.
Heidelberg non è un brand, Heidelberg è più che un brand e così pensano anche i nostri clienti e questo è quello che vogliono, starci vicini e localmente individuale e credo che questa è la chiave del nostro successo al finale del giorno, che stiamo vicino ai clienti e che proviamo a capirli.